but I failed so many times. God always been there, never forsaken me, watching down on me to pull through, kept on failing. That is word alive in me, restored my soul. I have hope and I believe my faith saved me. Yes, I will hold on to His word. So it's when alone. It is true and I lie. Yes, I will hold on to His word. It is true and I lie. Yes, I have been praying. I have been fasting, hoping for change, but I failed so many times. God always been there. He never forsaken me, no. He has been watching down on me to pull through, but I kept on failing. Restored my soul. I have hope and I believe in His word alone. Yes, I know. I have hope and I believe. Yes, it is true. By His word alone, restored my soul. Yes, yes, I have hope and I believe that His word, my favor. Yes, I believe. I will hold on to Him. I will remain to Him. My faith pull me through. Can we justify together if you know the Lord? When I was in my pain, when I was in my sadness, He pulled me through. When I was lost in the wilderness, with nobody to look to, yes, I remain in the way. My faith, we pull me through. I am still standing because of faith. Yeah, my faith. Through the weight of God, I am still standing. I am still here because of the word. Oh, Jesus, yes. I have fought a good fight of faith, and I have finished my race. I kept my faith. I kept my faith. I'm still here today, Lord. It was my grace that faith was given.